નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, કિશોર ગજેરા યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપ સૌનું સ્વાગત છે. આપણે અભ્યાસ કરી રહ્યા છીએ ફ્લેક્સિબલ બજેટ ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ એનો એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 23. The following particulars are available from the records of Pawan Company Limited at 60% and 100% capacity. Cost of direct material, direct wages, indirect wages આ ત્રણ વેરિયેબલ કહેવાશે. તમે આવું સ્ટેપ મૂકો કે 60,000 એ 72,000 તો 100% 60% એ 72,000 તો 100% એ કેટલા તો 120 આવી જાય એટલે વેરિયેબલ હોય એવું સમજી લેવાનું. Repair maintenance, power fuel both are semi variable, but rent insurance fixed because 96,000 96,000 48,000 48,000 બંને કેપેસિટીમાં સરખી રહેશે અને ફિક્સ કહેવાશે. સેલિંગ ઓવરહેડ્સ, એડમિનિસ્ટ્રેટિવ ઓવરહેડ્સ both are semi variable but depreciation also fixed. Total production at 100% capacity is 20,000 units. 100% capacity at 20,000 units. Prepare a budget at 70% and 90% capacity. 70 and 90% capacity એ બજેટ બનાવવાનું છે. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ આપણે યુનિટ ફાઇન્ડ કરી દઈએ. જે સ્ટેટમેન્ટ હાલ તમને આપ્યું છે એના યુનિટ્સ 100% કેપેસિટી એ 20,000 છે. 100% કેપેસિટી 20,000. પછી હું સ્ટેપ મૂકવાનું કે 100% એ 20,000 તો 60% એ કેટલા is equal to 12,000. એટલે અહીંયા જે તમારે અપોનમાં ડિફરન્સ ઇન યુનિટ લખવાના એ 20,000 માઈનસ 12,000 લેવાના. બજેટના યુનિટ જોઈએ. 100% capacity है 20,000 तो 70% capacity है कितना it is 14,000 at 100% capacity 20,000 what is for 90% capacity 18,000. Now formula variable cost per unit is equal to change in expenses upon change in units. First of all, material 120 minus 72 upon 20,000 minus 12,000 is equal to 6. Then wages 80,000 minus 48,000 upon 20,000 minus 12,000 is equal to 4. Indirect wages 40,000 minus 24,000 upon 20,000 minus 12,000 2. Repair and maintenance 76 minus 52 upon 20,000 minus 12,000 3. Power and fuel 46 minus 30 upon 20,000 minus 12,000 is equal to 2. Rent insurance both are fixed. Then selling overhead 64 minus 48 upon 20,000 minus 12,000 is equal to 2. And finally, administrative overhead. One lakh 12,000 minus 80,000 upon 20,000 minus 12,000 is equal to 4. And depreciation is fixed expenses. Material, wages, and indirect wages. These three expenses are fully variable. Repair, power, selling, administrative. Four expenses are semi-variable. Any variable amount આપણે find કરે per unit તો એની total fixed amount find કરવાની. First of all, repair, power, selling overhead, and administrative overhead. At a 100% capacity, repair 76,000, power 46,000, selling 64,000, and administrative overhead 1,12,000. Minus variable करिए, repair 3 into 20,000 is equal to 60,000. Power 2 into 20,000 40,000. 2 into 20,000 also 40,000. 4 into 20,000 is equal to 80,000. 76 minus 16 is equal to 16,000. 6,000. 24,000. 32,000. And finally, prepare the statement. Here, variable, semi-variable, and fixed. You are three heading આપીશું. First of all, A, variable expenses. Variable માં ત્રણ છે, material, wages, and indirect wages. First of all, material. Material per unit 6 and 6. 6 into 14,000 is equal to 84,000 and 1,08,000. Then wages 4. 14,000 into 4, 56,000 and 72,000. Indirect wages 2. 2 into 14,000 into 80,000, 28,000, 36,000. And the total is total variable cost. Total 12 1,68,000. 12 2,16,000. Total variable cost. B, semi-variable expenses. Semi-variable માં first of all repair and maintenance. Repair and maintenance માં બે વસ્તુ છે કે variable and fixed. Repair and maintenance variable 3 per unit 3. Repair and maintenance fixed 16,000, total 16,000. 3 into 14,000. 42,000, 54,000. 16,000 divided by units. 1.14, 0.89. Repair and maintenance, after that power and fuel. variable and fixed. Power and fuel variable 2, power and fuel fixed 6,000, 28,000, 36,000, 6,000 divided by 14,000, 0.43, 0.33. After that, selling overhead, variable and fixed. Selling overhead variable 2, selling overhead fixed 24,000. 2 into 14,000, 28,000, 36,000. 24 divided by 14,000, 1.71, 1.33. And finally, administrative overhead, variable and fixed. Admin overhead variable 4, administrative overhead fixed 32,000. 4 into 14,000, 56,000, 72,000. 32,000 divided by 14,000, 2.29, 1.78. And the total is semi-variable cost 16.57, 2,32,000, 15.33, 2,76,000. Total semi-variable cost. C. Fixed expenses. Fixed માં ત્રણ છે, rent, insurance and depreciation. Rent, insurance and depreciation. Rent 96,000, insurance 48,000, depreciation 80,000. $96,000 divided by units, 6.85, 6.85 and 5.33. 48,000 divided by units, 3.43 and 2.67. 80,000 divided by units, 5.71 and 4.44. Total fixed cost. $16 to 24,000. 12.44 to 24,000. Total fixed cost. And final cost is total cost A plus B plus C. $44.57, 6,24,000, 39.77, 7,16,000. Thank you very much, friends.